Interrupted with the libpng13 library DLL blocking libpng workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin our libpng13 library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the libpng13 library, a version-locked iteration of the Portable Network Graphics (PNG) reference library. It manages localized tasks such as alpha transparency, gamma correction, and interlaced image decoding for software developed circa 2008, mandatory for legacy localized graphics tools. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since libpng13 library DLL is an embedded part of the libpng architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the libpng13 library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like libpng13 library DLL. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for libpng13 library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve libpng13 library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.